The name of the course is Naval Architecture Meets G.I. Joe. I think that the title belies, hopefully, the content that we have in the course and the direction that we're going in, which is quite a serious design exercise.
It's inspiring to see other students, working on projects with real companies and having guys like these guys come in and talk to us about real-world concerns.
I'm Chief Warrant Officer Tom Gutwein. I'm stationed down at the Coast Guard Station in Castle Hill in Newport, Rhode Island. And basically we brought the boat up for the class to look at and see what the platform looks like to aid them in their course.
What's this orange stuff?
This is actually, it's a closed cell foam. I don't know if you've seen we call them Nerf buoys. They're made of foam. It's a closed cell foam system with rhino liner sprayed over the outside to keep the ultraviolet light from penetrating and causing it to deteriorate.
I expect the students to get an exposure to all the main criteria that are important in decision making and what things cost and how long things take to be built, just as if it were a real simulation of what you would do in a real professional design office.
And the guy that does the job of where the tire meets the road, if it meets his specification, we built a good product. And that's why we came up today. We figured we'd show you the boat, see what, a lot of thought went into the design of this boat.
We have like a mission, basically, like a military mission of stopping terrorists, and we have to design a boat around this mission.
I just thought it was really interesting. It sounded like we were going to be able to get to work with people like these guys, the Coast Guard, naval architects, and all sorts of interesting people that have a lot of knowledge to share.
Part of our class assignment is to work with the Coast Guard and developing a certain vessel to accomplish a specific task, and the Coast Guard, talking to them personally, gives us a much better chance to understand what they want and what they expect from their boats.
Kind of approaching naval architecture from a little bit more of like a design standpoint, trying to get a few radical ideas out there and bring like a few different concepts to the Coast Guard that maybe haven't been approached before.
RISD students have a propensity for the unusual and the unconventional. And that's why I wanted to use this mission as a platform for looking for unconventional ideas that conceivably could someday be applied to the overall Coast Guard mission.